Do you know there are over 8,000 applications on the Shopify App Store? But the question is, which apps generate the most revenue? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 free applications that have generated millions of dollars in sales for my clients. Let's jump into it. The single best way to grow your Shopify store is through new customer acquisition. And one of the most affordable ways to acquire new customers is with an ambassador or an affiliate program. And my favorite application on the Shopify App Store that just also happens to be free is UpPromote. Now, this is a tiered system, so technically it's only free up to 200 referrals per month. But I promise you, you're gonna be so profitable at the 200 referral point that realistically, this application is going to pay for itself. And UpPromote's a tremendous app that really allows you to quickly and easily set up an affiliate program. So you'll create a landing page where users can fill out their information, and it'll automatically email them an affiliate link and an affiliate coupon code that they can start sharing with their friends, family, and followers so that they can start generating sales, not just for your store as a Shopify store owner, but also in affiliate commissions, they'll receive money as well. So UpPromote is a tremendous free application that, like I said, will generate enough revenue to cover its own costs. So I highly recommend UpPromote and creating an affiliate or an ambassador program. My second free application recommendation is PushOwl, which really is just a push notification software that you can add to your store. It's really great. You know, it's quick and easy for users to sign up. It's one-click opt-in, and really you can send them push notifications pretty much about anything, whether an item's back in stock or when they abandon the cart. You can notify them that you still have their cart saved, you know, any promotions that you're running. And really, PushOwl is mainly a free application, but you know, after a certain number of subscribers, you will be charged. But once you reach that threshold, I guarantee you, you're going to start seeing enough revenue generated through the application that it'll easily cover the cost of the monthly program. So yeah, PushOwl is a great application that I recommend to help you increase your top line on your Shopify store. So the next free application that I recommend, and truly this is by far the best free application you can get on the Shopify App Store, is Smile.io. I can't believe how much they give away in the free version, but essentially all it is a rewards, referral, and loyalty program. And with the free application that you download, it'll automatically put a launcher in the bottom half of your web page. You can customize it with custom branding, and it allows every customer on your store to earn points for every purchase they make, and then they get special offers for when they accumulate more points. But amazingly enough, even with the free program, you also get a referral program. So any customer that makes a purchase on your website, on the checkout page, the thank you page, they'll actually get a little pop-up that says, hey, refer a friend, and you can set it up however you want, but you can say, you know, get $5 off your next order and give $5 to anybody you refer. So Smile.io is really a hugely powerful free application and is by far the largest revenue generator as far as the free applications. I wanted to take a minute to say thank you for watching this video. But more importantly, I wanted to offer you the opportunity to get access to 100+ growth hacks that'll help you to grow your Shopify. In the past 10 years, I've helped dozens of brands generate millions of dollars on their Shopify store. Every time I had an effective strategy, I would write it down in this book. Well, I decided to take the 100+ strategies that I wrote down in this book and put them on a digital database that you can get access to. This database includes descriptions, screenshots, recommended applications, essentially everything you need to get started. So if you're interested in gaining access to this database, click the link in the description below. So even though the Shopify App Store has over 8,000 applications, the most powerful part of the App Store is really getting in there, doing the research, and finding not only the applications that are the best and most popular, but the best free applications that you really can leverage, especially if you're a smaller store, to the max, to really try to grow your top line as quickly as possible with as little cost as possible. So in my experience, these are the top 3 apps, the top 3 revenue generating apps for free that I've found. But feel free to explore the Shopify App Store, try to find as many free applications as you can to help you go and grow your Shopify.